good. Yup. Only lipstick. Yeah. No makeup. I am good even though I don't have. You should find a real job instead of asking strangers for money. Who's that? Joey. If you don't give, then what's wrong? I don't force you to begging people. I don't ask people if you only want. Not I'm forcing people to send super stickers, okay? It's bad, Joey. Bad, what's that name? Good, you kick him. Darling Sega. No, that's why I'm here. It's not easy to be here and monetize in a YouTube, no? When you go YouTube, it's not easy to be here. This is my job now, entertaining people. Well, asking the YouTube will pay me, not you. Oh, like smile but hi. Sorry for my bad reply of the comment of the one who is my viewer. He's guilty of begging girls to do things. Yeah, maybe some girls are scamming him. But why she blame? Why she? I really like the view and I just can't keep calm seeing. What's the here? Or my son is sleeping. Wait guys, I will get some lipstick good wear every day like this much. Hmm? Hi to my 209 viewers. Oh, mag-double na. Mag-double na tayo. What you mean by that? Your baby bumpsy. Yeah, my baby is at my back. He doesn't like it when she is here. Yes. He, he likes to bash me. Basher. It's my basher. Maybe he's ingitero. What you call that? He don't like to make me popular here. Hey Bond, hi. Change mo. Wait, I open no. I open gift. Where is the Stepan my count? Stepan. He just needs to go play video games. Yeah. Yeah. The Indians loves to watch my live. What? Shit. The cats. Do not say my cunt. Who is my cunt? Joey. I don't know. I read his message, but I don't understand who's my cunt. Maybe your lip is regular sweet. Oh, really? Stop. There's a ghost behind you. Oh, oh, again, again, again. Joey, can you hide him? Bad word. Good morning. What's the time? It's not 12. It's 11:47. He scared me. Do you watch anime? Why? Do I look like an anime? It's 9 p.m. here in California. Okay. Shout out in California. When you said his name, it was a bad word. Oh, I don't understand. Mike Hunt. Who's Mike Hunt? Pornography view. Pornography view. Why? Is it a bad thing? It's now, what's that? It's now in a, oh, it's what's it called? 4 p.m. Netherlands. In Netherlands, Mahid Shambal.